Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to another video. So today I'm sharing with you how to make your own plum juice from the comfort of your home. This juice is a very simple one and it's made from nothing but fresh plum and lemon. So stay tuned and watch me prepare this juice from start to finish. You don't want to miss any step of me making this juice, so stay tuned and watch me through make this juice. I have my plum fruits and it's frozen. I will wash them before getting it ready for the juice. Firstly, you have to get your plum fruit ready by cutting them into pieces and taking out the pits, which is the plum seeds. So before including these into your diet, I believe you do like to know some benefits of taking this plum juice. So this plum juice is said to help digestion because plum juice are high in fiber, which helps prevent constipation. It's high in potassium, vitamins. It provides a good source of iron. It reduces blood cholesterol level. It lowers blood pressure and many more benefits which you can derive from taking those plum fruits. So on here you can see I have my plum, I have my sugar and my lemon juice. You can use fresh lemon juice for this, but here I don't have it handy, so I decided to use the one I have. So the sugar aspect is optional. You can choose to skip the sugar, but I want to include some taste into my plum juice because the plum juice have a tart and sour taste. So I needed to boost the drink for it to get a sweet taste. So you can choose to skip this process. If you don't want to include any sweetness to your plum, you can take it the way it is. So here in my blender, I'm putting in the plum, 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. I'll be adding water to these fruits and blend on a high speed. But remember to add water to your fruit depending on the quantity of your fruit. You can choose to add extra water, or you can choose to add lesser water and dilute it later on. After blending the juice, you can strain the mixture through a cheesecloth or a strainer, but this is optional as you can take the juice without straining. But I choose to strain mine. You can do so if you choose to. So this is what the juice looks like after blending. So I will go ahead and filter with my strainer. After straining out the chaffs, the juice is ready to be taken. Serve the juice with some ice cubes and ta-da! The juice is ready. Now you have seen how to make a sweet plum juice. Snatch some fruit and get yourself a very sweet and relaxing plum juice. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment below what you think about the juice. So subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And don't forget to turn up your post notification, the bell icon, so you can get notified each time I upload a new video. So see you guys on my next one. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Bye.